Yo, what up everybody? You know what it is, Mr. O. Reaction back again with another video. Namkala hey ndotuzura ngaingi ndozvakati kupa ndindo the ndozvakati namkala revekati ndina full namkala zingomani tanzi ndikokodza dzintu ndikwambira maningoni ndina full ine yomfarakandira chitu but yeah man atingoda dapamba zwinji mwa wapera namkala 2024 wapera zopera na wamizo ko babona vanenge vacation bako dipina bango bari hehe uko dipina nga uvuko dipina nga one woman show yamakadzi na mina but hey man Nada zvidivi chakutogoshwa mizoko dipino na vahona and he's enjoying and he deserves it. Atwambango ndikale mizo feel like asala muzika namkala ndikale awulegelegen kala koshuma munna so he deserves this and ndofuna so otona mthu wawe ndilibona libona namkala but yeah man aringoda hapo for heso orodela hapa utwamba tonyo litwamba nga top 5 artists zanga za 2024 ndikuramba ndisakulo sidzoli ne kamsi ndoteshesani ndikuramba artists nezoshuma ngamanda top 5 yanga ina welcome you manga inondira ndakoma top 10 za vamwe ndikubona watachakile bojena ndikubona kuti ngabo prefix bojena but to me Mutongara Chakil, I'm going to show last year. If we could remember, he didn't drop his single project. I'm going to show the features. Na joint project live. Na Nigeria player time bidende. Apart from that, I'm going to show the kama sichoka kama funga muzika. So, but then, nekanda nichita top 5. Ndo cheka zozoberaho. Ndiko cheka muzika mtu adropa, the features them to adropa, ndiko cheka the bookings, right? And ndingaswa mapunga the brand ambassadorship because kama yembe pa vendors ngo to dara ngongwana ndikwamba like ndingasi tona buko fika msi mizo ko advertiser MTN you know on radio stuff or TV independent ambassador like ziko konda vendor but I'm sure ziko dia hone ni abona kuti pachiko kutoma fletana zikuthi zwinji ngongwana ngorongora but yeah man before chamba zwinji anamba chineka the top 5 artists the last year. Yeah man, so number 5 inaba kamseni ngando yamba atingona chitu ndikuzobva tohone nengo zvinake zvitu ndenyango tozvitova sharp ndasanya zvitu ngoti ara watongona pasi utoma umbulo new time ina mean but if artist agodzura hapo zvetorobe sharp ndododiyamba muthu ngara chakira tingampangi ka top 5 yanga muthu nga prefix tingampangi obviously album ntende mapena ngwa but yeah man on my top 5 number 5 yanga ndichikosheka ngamanda muzika wa ubvisa ndikosheka ngamanda ngazi bookings ndingari batondi because he dropped an album beautiful album or dropped some songs nyana ningei and the bookings oba nazo na show yawe yaita Beaton Bash it was very successful atunga but I saw the pictures I saw the videos it was very successful oshumangandira kama zonga mana number 5 yanga batondi I know bamwe batumuri batondi but yeah man because almost said that atunga mtishisa ngamanda like it was not even on my top 10 Spotify listening but ndo unangandira obvious album ina yoshuma nyana zvokuti ndiko cheka listeners monthly listeners dzawe ndiko cheka bookings dzawe ndiko cheka other stuff I think it deserves to be on my top 5 number 4 and Kobe Mickey Black I know she's also like part of the newcomers but Mickey Black I think and Oshumanga Manda she's on my number 4 Mickey Black I think Ngandrea Shumanga yozozo Oshumesa ngamana akofisha na capable boys ngoraro then ashike hair on a big break yawe achifika take yakuya chincha ine abo ndo ndamba na fuloti take yakuya chincha ine abo kaba ndizo yamboro ya oshuma ngandira kama zonga manda yo mutakule yayo to bakona ubona mushumo wa mbrao so well done to Mickey Black as top 5 yanga is number 4 and then tosanga to barukeba I know about it in top 2 already I think top 2 already but let's give number 3 in our ndiko ipa asati yeah ndiko ipa asati I think asati when I'm oshumanga manda the bookings always there so mapungo toko flat vekazo the bookings are always there ola msono oshumanga ndira kama zonga manda asati he worked nyimbo nji ona dzichima Rufuna manda manji trekele like he worked man official album ya wene mune so I feel like it deserves to be on top 5 number 3 and the number 2 yanga obvious Guzba Banana wanamkala I think it's my number 2 Charando ima ndina video Charando ima ngapa bangaicheka is my number 2 kwamba 2024 is number 2 Guzba Banana oshumanga kama zonga manda otro album Matinya Zuhuru I think and then it was very good and also it was amazing wanamkala is on my top 2 my top 2 and the number 1 obviously my artist of 2023 also 2024 kan uyangana na kubona kwanga I think JR player oshumanga kama zonga ngamandla munna Mtambi Dendele ana Shaquille album yawe yaibvisa obviously na imwe EP I think it is Chikwembu, I can't remember, na imwe EP I think it's another changanya so Chitsonga. So yeah, he was working man chitaka mapunga dzi players on players zone dzati ko dara ngandira kamazonga manda batho botopa. He's tech teaming with Asati. Like Shumangandra Kamazansa is my number one. Number one. You can give me a top 5 when I was top 5 years. I don't think it didn't drop any music last year, unless if it's on Poopa, but it didn't drop any music last year. Those are the features 9. Racha Kill, don't know the features. Prefix, so we can't really put him on this debate. But Unari never deserve, but I just felt like this 5, yeah, Unari, I think what deserve, but this 5 for me, I feel like they are the best. Koma wepera wana mkala usana zwimwe nende for programming Mr. Earl reaction bachikwaneza bahanedza bakunda batenda marapedzi iyo ndi yanga abamwale yabo.